It's time to weld. Hi, I'm Nico, here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today, we're going to be talking about Blue Demon's True View Pano welding hood. The name Pano comes from its panoramic view angle of 180 degrees. The hood has 5 sensors and a 1-to-1 to 1-to-1 optical clarity. The hood is super lightweight, weighing in at 1.36 pounds. Allow me to demonstrate some of the hood's features. I will remove the headgear to give you guys a better view. The hood has 3 different modes: weld, cut, and grind. To cycle between the modes, hit the mode button on the inside, or use the button on the outside to cycle the last 2 options you used. When you cycle through the hood's modes, the lens will flash to notify you that you've changed your mode. Now let's use the quick change button on the outside of the hood to switch from weld to grind. What that does is turn off the auto-darken, change the shade to 3, and so you don't give yourself arc flash, there is a flashing red light indicator to let you know you're still in grind mode. Now let's talk about the cut mode. Your shade can be adjusted from 4 to 8, your sensitivity from 0 to 7, and your delay from 0 to 9. Let's get into the hood's weld mode. Your shades can range from 8 to 14, your sensitivity from 0 to 7, your delay from 0 to 9, and here's where the 1-to-1 to 1-to-1 optical clarity comes into play. Inside the box, the hood comes with 2 exterior lens replacements and 1 interior lens replacement, and a manual. Now let's replace the lenses. Let's start with the exterior. First, peel off the protective layer. Nice. To begin removing the exterior lens, remove the 2 fastener clips on the side of the hood. Begin by pinching and pulling out. Set that aside. Push this out. And do the same for the opposite side. Now let's begin installing the new lens. Same steps as before. Insert your bracket. Replace the clip. And the same for the opposite side. Now that we're done with the external, let's do the internal side panels and the main. Let's begin removing the internal lens. Lift the pre-existing out. Pull this out. Don't need that anymore. Remove the protective and then reinstall. Let's begin replacing the side panels. Pinch your fingernail in the groove, remove the old lens, remove your protective film, and reinstall. Now that this one's in, the same process applies for the other side. Hey, thanks for watching. Check out BlueDemonWelding.com to find a Blue Demon dealer near you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you ASAP.